Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to use Amazon Fresh and have it delivered while you're at Disney World. If you didn't know, Amazon Fresh is a grocery delivery service that's offered by Amazon that allows you to order groceries online and have them delivered right to you at your resort. It is a convenient and time-saving way to shop for groceries while you're on vacation, which is amazing. But before we jump into this video, I do want to introduce myself if you're new here on this channel. My name is Andrea, my toddler's name is Annie, and we love sharing vlogs, efficient tips, and tricks from all of our adventures at Disney World. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below and let's jump right into this video. To use Amazon Fresh, you'll need to sign up for an Amazon account if you don't have one already. But once you're signed in, you can go to the Amazon Fresh website and sign up for this service. You'll need to enter your address and form of payment information, and then you'll be ready to start shopping. To have your groceries delivered to you at your resort, simply go to your My Disney Experience app to get that address. Click on the three bars at the bottom right to open up the menu, then tap on Future Plans. Now click View Room Details under the resort that you're staying at and scroll all the way to the bottom where you will see that address. Now back on Amazon, you'll go to your account, click Deliver To at the top, then choose your location menu, or that should pop up. And then we want to add your resort address that we just got from the My Disney Experience app. So we will click Manage Address Book. Now tap Add a New Address. While filling out your information, I always put -guest in all caps. So your name, then guest. In the delivery notes, I would put Bring to Bell Services because in the past, I have had an inexperienced delivery driver who didn't know when or where to take it. So just in case, more information is always so much more safer, and we want you to get your groceries. To start shopping on Amazon Fresh, you can browse the available products or search for specific items using the search bar. You can add items to your cart and continue shopping until you're ready to check out. Amazon Fresh offers a wide selection of groceries, including fresh produce, meats, dairy, and pantry staples. So I'm going to share with you all of my grocery list and the things that I typically buy and have delivered to us on our trips to Disney. And this is actually on the screen a past purchase that I have seen, but so I will retrieve that. And so whenever I click on the Fresh icon and then past purchases in the drop down, a couple things that I will underline are buying Ziploc bags for a couple reasons. I will always put some fruit or portion up the meats in those, and I will have put ice in them as well. So in our lunch boxes, we bring those into the park, and you cannot have loose ice when you bring foods and ice into the park. So make sure that your ice is in Ziploc baggies, and that's just super easier. And then especially if your room doesn't have a full kitchen, and most rooms just have beverage coolers, so not actual mini fridges. So I do put our bottled waters in the beverage cooler through the night and then use that as a cold element in the lunchbox, but I do add the ice in the Ziploc bag for additional cold to ensure that Amy's yogurts or perishables are kept. She also loves eating cold bananas and grapes on hot days, so it ensures that everything stays cold and is super refreshing for her. When you're ready to check out, you'll choose a delivery time slot that works for you. So Amazon Fresh offers same day or up to 2 days out, so you can get your groceries when you need them. So when making this order, you will choose a 2-hour window for your groceries to be delivered on your arrival day, or whenever you would like for it to arrive, whatever is best for you and your family. But you can also edit your order the next couple of days in case you think of something before you arrive, or that order, just make sure that you do it before the order has started being fulfilled. On the day of delivery, you'll receive a notification when your delivery driver is on the way. When they arrive, they'll deliver your groceries to Bell Services, of course, because you put the note in there just in case. But if you're not at the resort, when they're delivered, Bell Services can hold it for you, which is wonderful. And any cold or perishable items, they will also keep chilled so you don't have to worry about your groceries getting ruined. To get your groceries to your actual room, you have two options. If you stop by Bell Services and pick them up and take them to your room yourself, that is a free option. If you wanted them to be delivered straight to your room for you, all you have to do is call Bell Services from your room and ask them to bring them to you. It is a small fee of $6 charged to your room, so if you prefer to save the energy, go this route, or if you prefer to save the money, you can simply get them yourself. I absolutely love Amazon Fresh while at Disney World. Amazon Fresh is a convenient and time-saving way to shop for groceries, and that's what we all need, right? So it saves money from having to overspend in the parks for bottles of water, snacks for your toddler, or fruit that costs $3 to $4 just for one thing. So with a wide selection of products and flexible delivery options, it's easy to get the groceries you need when you need them. So I hope this tutorial has been very helpful in showing you how to use Amazon Fresh while at Disney World. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you when you click on one of the videos on the screen or at Disney World. Bye.